floor, boldly. It is my
aliens entire
Night, I pray for your death.
So what do you do?
You got this, man.
Hello everyone, it's Cineselect. So get your popcorn and let's get right into it. Prepare yourself for an exciting lineup of must-see television shows that have come out in January 2026. The top streaming services are providing new and fascinating content ranging from gripping dramas to mind-blowing thriller to suspense mysteries that will keep you entertained this month. Here is a list of the greatest new TV series that you should put on your watch list. Number 10. Star Trek Starfleet Academy.
whatever challenges came before today led you to this moment. It is my great honor to welcome you all to Starfleet Academy. Starfleet Academy. You are all the first Academy class to return to our campus in San Francisco. Please, some for yourselves. Together, you are the best and the brightest from across the galaxy. Officers.
The first class of Starfleet cadets in over a century as they come of age and train to be officers, dealing with challenging academics, complicated friendship conflicts, first romance, and new danger to both the Academy and the Federation, blending teen drama with classic Star Trek themes of hope and exploration, balancing personal growth with external threats. Number 9. His and Hers. Anna, an old reporter who is thrown back to life when she becomes fixated with a grisly killing in her quite small town of Dahlonega, Georgia. An incident which puts her in a stressful, uncomfortable relationship with Detective Jack Harper, with each suspecting the other as clues surface, intertwining their past trauma and secrets with the crime. Exploring the profound impact of loss, the power of mother's love, the complexities of trauma, and how secrets can destroy relationships. Number 8. A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms. The adventure of Sir Duncan Battle, a tall, kind-hearted but knave his knight and his young, clever squire Ed, about a century before Game of Thrones, focusing on their grounded exploits, chivalry, and friendship as they travel Westeros during a declined Targaryen rule, blending fantasy, drama, and adventure, political maneuvering, intriguing narratives, interesting character, and complex world building. Number 7. The Beauty. A STD virus that makes people incredibly attractive before causing them to rage and spontaneously combust, explode through FBI agents Cooper Madison and Jordan Bennett investing its original as a tech company dangerous beauty drug, blending sci-fi horror with critics of social obsession, physical perfection, and beauty standards. At number 6. Memory of a Killer. Angelo Boyle, played by Patrick Dempsey, a New York hitman diagnosed with early onset Alzheimer, who must protect his family and hunt enemies while his memory fades, forcing him to navigate dangerous criminal underworld, all while uncovering secrets about his wife's death, creating a race against time to complete one last mission and save his daughter, who is also targeted. At number 5. Gangs of London Season 3. After a massive fentanyl-laced cocaine spike killing hundreds and triggering intense pressure from authorities and rival gangs, forcing ex-cop turned gangster Elliot Cartel and allies like the Damani family to find to saboteur amidst escalating power struggle as Sean Vallis from prison and a mysterious new player emerged, connecting past events like the deaths of Elliot families to the present turmoil, leading to brutal turf war and a quest for who sabotaged the deal. At number 4. Wonder Man. Aspiring actor Simon Williams, who by trying to break into Hollywood and land a role in a Wonder Man reboot, secretly develops superpowers, catching the attention of Damage Control as an extraordinary threat, blending superhero origin with a satire of entertainment industry. At number 3. Steel. Zara and Nuke, who at a pension fund are forced by early thieves to execute the heist of the century, stealing billions of pounds while a conflicted detective leads the investigation, facing personal struggles while uncovering deep-seated conspiracies and competing interests, exploring disruption, massive financial threat, and the ordinary people caught in the middle. Number 2. A Thousand Blows Season 2.
I'm bringing the 40 elephants back together again.
Number 1. The Night Manager Season 2. Jonathan Pine, known as Alex Godwin, works undercover as an M16 officer in London. His wife is pretty ordinary, but that changes quickly when he comes across a former associate of Richard Rohr, leading him down a dangerous path once again.